Think you've discovered everything your Toyota can do? Think again. Some of the most useful features are hidden deep inside the system, and many owners never activate them. These built-in tools can make parking easier, improve convenience, and even save you money on dealership visits. Let's count down 10 hidden Toyota features you should start using today. Welcome back to Fix Pro Garage. If you own a Toyota or you're planning to buy one, this video could help you unlock features you never knew existed. Let's jump straight into feature number 10. Most Toyota owners rely on the backup camera every day, but very few realize it can display 3 different guideline modes. By default, your vehicle usually shows standard parking guidelines. While they're helpful, they're not always the best option for every situation. Here are the 3 viewing modes available on many Toyota models. Mode 1. Fixed guidelines that provide a constant width reference behind the vehicle. Mode 2. Dynamic guidelines that move as you turn the steering wheel, giving you a real-time preview of where your vehicle is actually heading. Mode 3. A clean camera view with no guidelines at all, offering an unobstructed image. Changing between these modes is simple. While the backup camera is active, tap the display if your model supports touchscreen controls. Some Toyotas also let you switch modes using steering wheel buttons, while others display a mode selector directly on the camera screen. For tight parking spaces, dynamic guidelines are usually the smartest choice because they follow your steering angle instead of showing fixed reference lines. That makes reversing into parking spots and parallel parking much easier. One extra tip: many Toyota infotainment systems also allow you to adjust the backup camera's brightness and contrast. Fine-tuning these settings can noticeably improve visibility when parking at night or in poorly lit areas. Feature number 9. Update your Toyota maps for less money. If your Toyota's navigation still misses new roads or recently built neighborhoods, your maps may simply be outdated. Many dealerships charge anywhere from $150 to $200 for a navigation update, but in many cases, you can do it yourself for a fraction of that cost. Toyota provides downloadable map updates for many infotainment systems through its official owner support platform. Depending on your model year, some updates are completely free, while others typically cost between $30 and $60. The process is straightforward. Visit Toyota's owner website, enter your VIN, locate the navigation or software update section, download the correct update onto a compatible USB drive, then plug it into your vehicle and follow the on-screen instructions. Besides navigation maps, Toyota also releases multimedia software updates that improve system performance, fix bugs, and occasionally introduce new features, all without scheduling a dealership appointment. Feature number 8. Remote start your Toyota from almost anywhere. A lot of drivers assume remote start requires expensive aftermarket equipment. In reality, many Toyota models built after 2018 already support remote engine start through the Toyota app when connected to an active connected services subscription. That means you can start your vehicle from virtually anywhere your phone has an internet connection. Whether you're inside your office, walking through a shopping mall, or parked several floors above your vehicle, you can warm up or cool down the cabin before you even reach it. Using the feature is simple. Open the Toyota app, select the remote section, tap Remote Start, and confirm the request. Your engine starts while the vehicle remains securely locked, and climate control begins preparing the cabin for your arrival. If your connected services subscription has expired, Toyota offers affordable monthly plans that restore remote access. Many of these plans also include remote lock and unlock, making it easy to secure your vehicle if you're not sure whether you locked it. Feature number 7. What Eco, Normal, and Sport mode really change. Most Toyota owners press the Drive mode button once or twice, then leave it in Normal forever. But each mode actually changes how your vehicle responds behind the wheel. Eco mode softens throttle response, encourages earlier transmission shifts, and slightly reduces air conditioning compressor output. These adjustments can improve fuel economy by roughly 3 to 5% during everyday driving. Normal mode delivers Toyota's factory-balanced driving experience with predictable throttle response, smooth shifting, and comfortable performance for daily use. Sport mode makes the accelerator noticeably more responsive. The transmission keeps gears longer before shifting, downshifts sooner during deceleration, and on many models with electric power steering, steering feel becomes slightly heavier for a sportier driving experience. The trade-off is fuel economy, which can drop by around 5 to 8% compared with normal mode. A simple way to use them: Eco mode for long highway trips, normal mode for daily commuting, sport mode when merging, climbing hills, or when you want quicker acceleration. If you drive a Toyota hybrid, sport mode also changes how aggressively the electric motor assists acceleration and how regenerative braking captures energy. Feature number 6. Your second row seats. Do more than you think. If you drive a Toyota Highlander, RAV4, Sienna, Venza, or another Toyota SUV or minivan, there's a good chance you're not getting the most out of your second row seats. Many owners leave them in the same position from the day they buy the vehicle, never realizing they're designed to slide forward and backward for added flexibility. Sliding the seats forward creates extra cargo space behind the second row while still allowing access to the rear seats. Move them backward, and rear passengers get significantly more legroom, perfect for long road trips or taller passengers. Adjusting them is easy. Look for the release lever or button near the front of the seat cushion. Pull it, slide the seat to your preferred position, then release the lever to lock it in place. On models equipped with captain's chairs, each seat moves independently, allowing you to customize the space for different passengers. Here's another useful trick. On many Toyota SUVs, folding the second row seats also reveals additional cargo space or hidden floor storage, making it even easier to transport larger items. Feature number 5. Adjust your Toyota's pre-collision warning system. Toyota Safety Sense is one of the best safety technologies available today, but most drivers never realize they can customize how it works. The pre-collision system doesn't have to stay on its factory settings forever. Many Toyota models allow you to adjust the warning sensitivity based on your driving style. Typically, you'll find 3 options. High sensitivity provides earlier alerts, giving you more time to react. Standard offers Toyota's recommended balance for everyday driving. Low or late warning waits longer before issuing alerts, helping reduce unnecessary warnings in certain situations. If you spend most of your time on highways, earlier warnings can provide extra reaction time. For city driving, the standard setting usually delivers the best balance between safety and convenience. Changing the setting is simple. Open the vehicle settings or driving assist menu through your infotainment system, or use the steering wheel controls to access the safety sense options. One more thing worth checking. Many Toyota models built after 2020 also let you adjust the sensitivity of pedestrian and cyclist detection separately, helping the system respond more effectively in busy urban areas. Feature number 4. Automatic high beams may already be waiting for you. Driving on dark roads becomes much easier when your headlights adjust automatically. The surprising part: many Toyota owners never activate this built-in feature. Automatic high beam uses a forward-facing camera to detect approaching vehicles and switches between high and low beams without requiring any driver input. On many Toyota models, the system isn't fully enabled from the factory until you activate it yourself. Here's how. Set the headlights to auto or on, then push the high beam stalk forward until the automatic high beam indicator appears on the instrument cluster. You'll usually see a small A next to the high beam symbol. From that point forward, the vehicle automatically manages your headlights while driving at night. You'll enjoy brighter visibility on dark roads without worrying about blinding oncoming traffic. There's another setting many owners overlook. Some Toyota models allow you to choose how early the system switches back to low beams by adjusting the detection range inside the vehicle settings. Feature number 3. Customize your instrument cluster like a pro. Take a look at the screen between your speedometer and tachometer. If you've been using the same display every day, you're missing several useful information screens. Depending on your Toyota model, the multi-information display offers anywhere from 4 to 8 different layouts. Each screen highlights different vehicle information. You can view current and average fuel economy, individual tire pressure readings, audio information, digital speedometer, maintenance reminders, navigation guidance. Switching between these screens is easy. Simply use the arrow buttons on the steering wheel to scroll through the available pages until you find the layout that works best for you. Many drivers discover the live tire pressure screen and stop relying on manual pressure checks. Others begin monitoring fuel economy more closely, helping them develop better driving habits. For even more convenience, many Toyota models let you choose which display appears automatically every time you start the vehicle. Feature number 2. Replace your windshield. Don't skip this important step. If you've recently replaced your Toyota's windshield, there's one critical step many drivers never hear about, and skipping it could affect some of your vehicle's most important safety features. Toyota Safety Sense relies on a forward-facing camera mounted behind the rearview mirror. This camera helps power systems like pre-collision assist, lane departure alert, and lane tracing assist. When the windshield is removed, that camera can shift ever so slightly. Even a tiny change in its position can throw off the system's calibration. The result? Your safety features may not detect obstacles accurately, lane keeping assistance may respond incorrectly, and warning systems may not perform as intended. Many dealerships charge between $150 and $300 for camera recalibration. However, here's something many owners don't realize. A growing number of professional windshield replacement companies now include camera recalibration as part of the installation service. Before replacing your windshield, simply ask whether Toyota Safety Sense recalibration is included. If it isn't, schedule a calibration as soon as possible before relying on those driver assistance systems. One more tip. If your Toyota suddenly displays a Safety Sense warning light after a windshield replacement, it's usually a calibration issue, not a failed sensor. Feature number 1. Your Toyota already gives you a free vehicle health report. Most drivers pay for a vehicle inspection without realizing their Toyota may already provide much of the same information. Whenever you visit a dealership, technicians perform a multi-point inspection that checks items like brake condition, fluid levels, tire health, warning lights, and overall vehicle status. But many Toyota models already collect much of this information through the onboard computer. You can often access it directly from the infotainment system. Simply open the Vehicle, Apps, or Connected Services section, depending on your model, and look for Vehicle Health or Vehicle Status. There, you'll find valuable information such as active warning messages, maintenance reminders, system status, safety alerts, service notifications, diagnostic information reported by the vehicle. This data comes directly from your Toyota's onboard systems, helping you stay informed before a minor issue turns into an expensive repair. Checking your vehicle health regularly only takes a minute and can help you catch problems early. It's one of the easiest features to use and one of the most overlooked. So, how many of these hidden Toyota features were new to you? Chances are you've been driving with several of them available all along without even knowing it. Learning these built-in features can make driving safer, more convenient, and may even save you money on unnecessary dealership visits. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Fix Pro Garage, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest automotive tips, hidden features, and DIY repair guides. And before you go, let us know in the comments, which hidden Toyota feature surprised you the most? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.